Discover the realm of affordable aerial exploration with drones. Unveil stunning landscapes and capture your adventures from new heights without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll take a look at the best drones under $100 that are available on the market today. We've carefully put together this list of featured drones based on market research, including customer reviews and feedback, that offer the most value for your money. For more information and the latest prices of the mentioned products, you can visit the links found in the description box below. Now, let's get started. The fifth product on the list is the SANROCK U52 Drone. This SANROCK drone is a versatile and user-friendly drone that is perfect for both adults and kids. It comes with a built-in 1080p HD camera that has a 90 degrees adjustable angle, allowing you to capture stunning aerial footage of your surroundings. The drone also features Wi-Fi FPV real-time transmission, which enables you to view the live feed from the drone's camera on your smartphone. The SANROCK U52 drone has a maximum flight time of up to 16 minutes and is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality drone with advanced features at an affordable price. Up next in fourth place is the ATTOP 1080p drone. The ATTOP drone is a foldable drone that comes with a carrying case, making it easy to transport. It features a 1080p HD camera that can take clear photos and live videos, which can be shared on social media immediately using the One Key to Share function. It has an altitude hold, which ensures a steady hover and guarantees higher quality pictures and videos when you want to free your hands. With a 55-yard flight range, this drone is perfect for capturing aerial footage of outdoor activities. The third product on this list is the Holystone HS440 drone. The Holystone drone is a versatile and user-friendly drone that is perfect for beginners. With its compact and foldable design, it is easy to carry and transport, making it ideal for on-the-go adventures. The drone features a 1080p HD camera with an adjustable lens, allowing you to capture stunning aerial videos and photos. With a flight distance of 330 feet and a flight time of 20 minutes, you can explore and capture amazing footage. The second product on our list is the TizzyToy Brushless Motor Drone. The TizzyToy drone is a high-quality drone that is perfect for both beginners and experienced drone pilots. With its brushless motors, the drone is very quiet and has downward-facing sensors that allow it to stop and hover in one place. This model also features a 4K dual PTZ camera that can shoot stable footage even when the drone is in motion. With 2 batteries included, the drone can fly for up to 60 minutes, making the TizzyToy drone perfect for longer flights. Number 1 on the list is the Holystone HS110 DRC drone. The Holystone drone is an excellent choice for beginners and experienced drone pilots alike. With a 1080p HD camera and a 120 degrees wide-angle lens, you can capture high-quality photos and videos from the air. The drone is easy to fly and hovers nicely once you get the trim dialed in, which makes it a great pick for novice flyers who want to take videos. It also comes with a range of features, including gesture control, altitude hold, headless mode, and 3D flips, which make it a versatile and fun drone to fly. So, there you have it. This concludes our list of the best drones under $100. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit that like button. To see more about these products, check out the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching.